Right, I'm just going to get the new KLX230s off the truck. They're just over here. I'll spin around and check her out.
Stand by and rolling.
Here we got the new KLX230 just come off the truck. It's exciting news. It's a middle range trail bike. I'll lift it up. Looks like an off-road motorcycle. It's actually full size, isn't it? Looks pretty much. So what we'll do, we'll get the boys to unpack it because it doesn't look real good sitting like that. So that's a KLX230 and this is the off-road version. So we released two, they've got an on-road and an off-road, so we got the off-road version first. So like that, let's unpack it.
Yeah, that's cool. I'll just speed it up anyway. So we got Buzz going under the bloody crates. What do you reckon, Buzz? You excited about this new one, mate? Yeah. So I don't get embarrassed. Alright, Buzz, one of our technicians up here. He makes a lot of noise.
Have a look at this, the new Kawasaki KLX230. Like, this is probably one of the, not the most exciting bike ever, but a really good spot for Kawasaki. Have a look at the height of this bike. It's a near full-size motorcycle. It has electric start. It's got your keyless ignition feature here. Well, not keyless ignition, but yeah, you got your button there. She doesn't have a key with that jigger there. Full motocross styling, 18-inch rear tyre, 21-inch front. It's got disc brakes front and rear, air-cooled 230cc engine. I don't know much about it. We've just unpacked it as I just showed you there. There is a spark arrestor in there, so if you want to get a bit more noise, I'm sure you can take it out. This is a quality motorcycle. It's fuel injected. Fuel injection.
I need to stand next to it because
Looks
you're
like
so
the big
tall.
jiggers. Hey, do you want to get on it, Dean?
Well, just I'm a
Yeah.
normal size, just to show you.
Dean says he's a normal size.
Well, you're a bit too tall. So look at that.
Look at that. Jump on it,
That's your
Dean.
seat.
Jump on it, mate.
That's your seat height. So
Look at him go.
See how tall that is. You're very close to a full motocross.
Have a look at it. That is probably the perfect teenager's bike, trail riding bike. Would you do the 100-footers on this one, Dean?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, he would. Crazy. So that's the KLX230R. Mate, do you want me to start it up?
Yeah, start it.
Who wants to start it up?
Bloody oath.
Let's get it on. So we press ignition. Injected, so no choke, no bloody fuel tax, nothing. I'm excited about this model. Mate, this bike comes in under $6,000 Australian. That's under $6 grand for a 230 electric start, fuel injected dirt bike. Fantastic. I want to go for a blood around the car park.
Hell yeah.
Righto, let's do that. Well, I'll take the little KLX for a quick lap.
It looks like a 110 when you on it.
Yeah, I know, it's not a little kid. It actually feels really good. It's nimble, you can turn it around and so on. Funny, you know, zipping in and out here, can't do much, but yeah, it'd be good for a car biker flying around. It's great. Well, that's the bloody KLX230 2019 model, just released here. Come and get them. They're going to go out in the bloody truckloads. Awesome bike, awesome price. Mate, get out and hit the trails this weekend. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. Here we go. We're getting excited. Woohoo! You saw a bit. Oh, that's sweet. KLX230. Fuel injected. Fuel injected, electric start, fuel injection. 21-inch front wheel. 18-inch rear. Bloody wicked. I'll let you get her out and then I'll come back, eh?